You may have seen several bread pocket recipes, but this one is unique, tasty, and simple. Let's make it. Take two slices of bread and put a cheese slice in between, then flatten it with a baleen. Cut it into a round shape using any bowl. Gently press the edges so that it does not open while frying. Now for the coating, dip it into egg and then coat it with some breadcrumbs. Coat it evenly on all sides. You can deep fry them till they are golden brown and crispy. Then cut it in half and you'll see the cheese melting inside. Apply some sauce on one side and then fill it up with some filling and you'll get the tastiest bread pockets ever. Simple, quick, yet delicious.